guys, today is my last day here in the paradise. I'm going to a place to record the last video for you, so hope you enjoy. We took this small car here. Very funny, it's like a golf car.
There is a part of us which still feels at home in nature. In fact, it has been proven that when we are in nature, our brain works differently. Being connected to nature results in some amazing changes inside our head, which begin to calm us and soothe our nerves.
Look at this. Hear this. I am definitely not the same person. Rio is an amazing place. Being close to nature made me think how much this is precious. Without this, we don't breathe. Without this, we don't eat. Without this, we don't survive. It's important to take care of nature. I was doing stand-up. I passed through a part in the sea where it was really dirty and made me think, wow, it wouldn't be that dirty if we humans didn't do that. Yeah, and guys, being close is different to get connected. I'm way conscious now. I will be another person in the city. I will be thinking about here. I will be thinking about how I can help to preserve this, because I'm breathing well. I'm doing exercises. Nature has everything that we need to survive. I just want to say, think better before to buy something, before to throw away something. We don't have another planet. We just have here to live. So we have to take care of it with all our hearts and with all our best. Preserve it, preserve it, preserve it, and come to nature. I have a way back and I'm literally sweating. I'm so happy for being here. Arrived.
Reconnecting to nature is like resetting our brain. You cannot escape the ups and downs of life, but you can always find calm in nature. You can always find comfort and clarity in the company of woods.
Think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin